high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my app.
Relationships. Tables can have relationships with other tables in a database. These relationships can be established through keys, such as primary key and foreign key, which help maintain data integrity and enable data retrieval across multiple tables. Next, SQL operations. Tables are manipulated and queried using SQL. SQL allows you to perform various operations on tables, such as inserting, updating, deleting, and querying data, making tables a central component of database management systems.